a beautiful day here in Lubbock. We welcome you all to our humble home and to our Lubbock Floating Restaurant. My name is Antoinette, together with Nelson, and we will be entertaining you with our local songs, designer songs, and other popular songs. And if you're celebrating a special day, please let us know. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the scenic beauty of Lubbock, a piece of heaven. Daghang salamat.